Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create and set up Portable Hotspot on MacBook Air M5. So first of all, the very important thing, you cannot set up a portable hotspot to share the internet using the same source that you're using to receive that internet. So if you want to create a Wi-Fi hotspot and you are connected to the Wi-Fi on your MacBook, you will not be able to share the internet using Wi-Fi on your MacBook. You'll be only able to share internet using, for example, a LAN cable connected to another device. So if you want to share the internet on your MacBook, you're gonna have to connect it to the Ethernet. I personally connected mine to the Ethernet cable using a hub that has Ethernet port. And now the first thing that we're gonna have to do is go to the Apple menu, open System Settings, and first thing I want you to do is go to Network on the sidebar and check your connection type. So for me, it's USB 10, 100, 1000 LAN. We just need to know which one exactly we are using to get the internet. Now let's go to General Settings and let's open Sharing. And now here we want to enable internet sharing. So switch this toggle to the right, enter your password, then click Configure, and then in Share Your Connection From, we're gonna have to select this device that I just checked for, and then we're gonna have to select two devices using, and then we can either select one of these options, but I suspect most of you would like to use Wi-Fi, so let's switch the Wi-Fi on. Here we can select the network's name, so it's up to you. Then we're gonna have to select 11th channel. Now the 11th channel will give us the best coverage, like the best compatibility with other devices. And also in security, select WPA2/WPA3 personal. This will also give us the best compatibility. Then create a password for your network and click OK. And then switch internet sharing on. Click Turn On. And then on your other devices, okay, so let's click down here to complete. And now let's check whether I can see this Wi-Fi network. Okay, so let me just go to Wi-Fi settings and let's check for networks. And for now, I cannot see the Wi-Fi networks. Okay, so it appeared on the networks list. Here we have it. Let me enter the password to it. Press enter. And right now, I'm connected to this MacBook's hotspot. Now, sometimes in order to connect to a Wi-Fi hotspot, you're going to have to restart your iPhone or other device you're trying to connect from. So yeah, in my case, I once had this issue that I couldn't see the Wi-Fi hotspot until I restarted my iPhone. Therefore, if you don't see your hotspot, restart the device that you're trying to connect from. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.